Now we will see how to create a virtual machine in Azure. For that, just click on the menu here on the left hand side. Uh, you can select the virtual machines from here. Otherwise, you can just type in the search button, that is virtual machines, virtual machines. Just click on this virtual machine. It will open a new page like this. Click on create and select the first option, that is Azure virtual machine. Now it will ask some details. You have to enter it. First, the subscription. What are the subscription that you are using? That you have to select. I am using a student's account, Azure for students. Resource group, what you have created before, that you have to select it. If you did not create any resource group, you have to create a new one and you need to select here. Now give a virtual machine name of your choice. Now I will give KL test virtual machine. KL test virtual machine is my virtual machine name. KL test virtual machine. Select the region which is nearer to you. Here it was selected already, Asia Pacific South India. I am leave it as it is. Availability options, leave it. Security type, leave it by default. Now select the window, select the image. Now what type of operating system you want for your virtual machine. You have to select whether it is Windows or Linux, that you have to select it. I'm here selecting Windows Server 2019. Leave the remaining as it is. And coming to the size, just you need to select here the configuration of the virtual machine. What are the process? What are the type of process and the RAM and the hard disk size that you need to select here. There are so many sizes are available. If you click on see all sizes, these are the things. These are the different series that are available for the unique nature, for a unique feature. Every series has its unique feature. You have to select it according to your requirement. Okay, I'm selecting the minimum one, that is the first one CPU. The RAM is 3.5 and data disk is 4. So I'm selecting here this one. Select. Now you have to give username and password in order to log into the virtual machine. So please remember the password what you have given here, because with that only you need to log in into the virtual account. So give some username, real user, user, the password, give some password. Just follow the standards of the password. According to the standards you have to give. Now I have given username and the password. Now select allow selected ports and select inbound ports RDP. Okay, without this you cannot connect to the virtual machine in the public network. So now go to the disks. Now select the disk type. This type of the requirement: standard SSD, premium SSD, HDD, right, like this. I'm selecting here standard SSD. Leave everything as it is. Click on networking. So Azure by default will select default values for the subnet ID and the public IP address also. So no need to disturb those things. Now click on the management. Your subscription is protected by foundational cloud security posture management free plan. Now leave this one also. Monitoring, leave as it is by default values, tags, and click on review create. Now see it is charging, like this is the amount it is charging for 1 hour. Validation is passed. Now just click on create. Now my suggestion is, as soon as you create it, the virtual machine, make sure to stop the services or you need to delete it. Okay, otherwise it will be charged when you are using a free account. So make sure to stop the services or delete the virtual machine as soon as you complete the experiment. So the deployment is in progress. It will take some time to create the virtual machine. Now the deployment is completed. Now the deployment is completed. Deployment is completed. So go to the home page. You can see the virtual machine that you have created. Just click on this. Just now you can check the configuration details and the details all you have selected. So the operating system is Windows. This is of the size. This is the public IP address of your virtual machine. With this, we are going to connect with the virtual machine. So this is the size. This is the configuration that you have selected. Opt for these are the remaining details that you have selected. Okay. So once we have once you have created the virtual machine, you need to connect it. So click on the connect here, connect, and click on connect. Now connecting using the pipe, this IP address, public IP address. So download RDP file. RDP file was downloaded. So in order to connect with the virtual machine, just open the RDP file which was downloaded. Click on connect. It will ask you the username and password which I have created during the process of virtual machine creation. Give the password. Once you enter the password, click on OK. Click on S. Now it will open a virtual machine that was created in the cloud. Now see, this is the virtual machine. Configuring. So now our virtual machine with the selected configuration was created in the cloud. It is still configuring. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Yes, my virtual machine is ready now. So now this is a virtual machine I have created in Microsoft Azure. When you click on the File Explorer, I click here, you can see the drives. File Explorer, you can see the drives of this PC. So these are the configurations that you have selected. Now a virtual machine was created in the Microsoft Azure. Okay. Once you've done this, now try to stop the services of the virtual machine, otherwise it will be charged for you. Okay, this is the process of creating the virtual machine, step by step process. So once you've done this, just click on the stop button, or simply you can delete it. Simply you can delete the virtual machine so that you will not be charged further. Okay, so this is the process of creating a virtual machine. Thank you.